Principal, teachers and my dear friends, today we have gathered here to celebrate Rajmata Jijau's birth anniversary. Rajmata Jijau was born on 12th of Jan 1598. Deulgarh near Shinkhed. She was married to Shahaji Raje Bhosle. Rajmata Jijau was the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of Maratha Empire. Jizabai was a great warrior and brave, intelligent woman. Jizabai was known for her valor and foresight traits which she passed down to her son Shivaji. She was also a skilled horse rider and had a way with swords that would put descent. She managed her husband Jagir in Pune and saw to its development. Jizabai was a devout Hindu and instilled in Shivaji a strong sense of religious and nationalistic pride. She also taught him about the history and culture of the Marathas, which helped shape for his an independent and powerful Maratha kingdom. She teach Shivaji Maharaj how to behave, how to fight, and teach lots of things. She died on 17 June 1674. जाता जाता एवढं सांगून जाते की जिजाऊ तुम्ही नसता तर नसते झाले शिवरायांनी शंभू शावा. जिजाऊ तुम्ही नसता तर नसता मिळाला स्वराज्यास ठेवा. जिजाऊ तुम्ही नसता तर नसते लढले मावळे. तुम्ही नसता तर नसते दिसले विजयाची सोहळे. थँक्यू.